Robert, what kind of rod is this?
603 is a premium buildup alloy, 28 to 32 Rockwell. It runs as easily as a 7018, and it's used for a myriad of applications. You can use this on pipeline equipment, ditchers, rails, segments. You can use this as an underlay for all hard facing, from mild steel all the way up to QT 400. You can build it up on shafts, pins, fully machinable. It's a user-friendly rod that is used by machine shops, contractors, heavy-duty mechanics alike, because it's an easy go-to. You can leave it in your toolbox and grab it anytime you want.
Yeah, so it doesn't absorb a lot of moisture?
Not at all.
Right. Nice. What are we going to run it at? What kind of voltage now?
We're going to run it DC reverse polarity, Stinger positive, and we're going to run it at 115, 120 amps. You don't need to run this at a high voltage because we're just doing build-up. We're not doing anything excessive. It's just an easy application.
All right.
And you want it to go on thicker. So this will go on, a 1/8 will build up like a 532 welding rod. Also, 603 can weld right over its own flux, which I'll show you today.
Ah, perfect.
You don't have to clean the flux with this stuff, which a lot of mechanics like.
Yeah.
Mechanics in the oil field like this rod because it's so user-friendly.
Yeah. Sounds great. All right, well, as
Excellent.
I say, let's light it up.
Mechanics in the field, working in tight conditions, you can weld right over the flux, and I'll demonstrate that now. There you have a build-up alloy that puts a lot of meat on very quickly, doesn't burn past the edges. This 1/8 chunk of steel, that's how exactly if you were building up gear teeth on a ditcher, splines, and there you have it. A very clean build-up alloy. Now you could put anything over top of that if you needed to. Any type of hard facing.